Mag jumpers provide a faster, more reliable, and safer method for temporarily bridging thermostat terminals than ordinary wire when testing and configuring heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Mag jumpers are small magnetic connectors with insulated leads that clip onto thermostat, screw, or spade terminals to create a stable, hands-free circuit. They are typically made with neodymium magnets embedded in a plastic housing and paired with stranded copper leads terminated in alligator clips or spade lugs, which reduces contact bounce and heat buildup during short tests. To use a mag jumper, isolate the system power at the breaker or furnace switch. Identify the correct terminals, commonly call for heat, cool, fan, and common, and attach the magnetic pad so its polarity and insulation do not bridge adjacent terminals. Then restore power to test operation and remove the jumper when finished. Ordinary wire for jumping is usually a piece of insulated stranded lead with stripped ends or a pre-made jumper harness. It can work in a pinch but requires firm hand pressure or temporary fastening to avoid intermittent contact and accidental shorting, and it increases the chance of touching live metal when managing multiple wires. For best practice, always de-energize when possible. Wear electrical rated gloves and eye protection. Keep jumper lengths short to minimize inductance and inadvertent crossing of conductors, and label any temporary connections so a second technician or homeowner does not leave them in place. Use a multimeter to confirm the circuit before and after inserting a jumper. Check continuity to ensure a solid connection and measure voltage to verify you are on the expected control circuit rather than line voltage. For diagnostic procedures that require prolonged connection or repeated operations, choose mag jumpers for consistent contact and to free both hands for adjusting settings, logging readings, or operating valves and dampers. 3 common issues are poor contact reliability with ordinary wire, accidental shorting between adjacent terminals, and using magnetic jumpers on painted or recessed terminals that reduce grip. Solve poor contact by using properly stripped, tinned, stranded wire or insulated terminal adapters, and by securing the wire with a small screw or clamp rather than relying on pressure alone. Alternatively, use a mag jumper designed for spade or screw terminals. Prevent accidental shorting by placing non-conductive spacers between terminals, using color-coded insulated leads, and keeping jumper tails routed away from other terminals. Mag jumpers with built-in insulation around the magnet mitigate this risk. Avoid reduced magnetic adhesion by cleaning paint and corrosion from the terminal surface, and, if necessary, use a thin brass spade adapter under the magnet, or select a mag jumper model intended for recessed or larger terminals. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project planning resources tailored to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning work. Contractors can create profiles and bid on nearby jobs, making it easier to find qualified field technicians for safe, efficient thermostat diagnostics and installations.